It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the afternoon edition for Wednesday, the 15th of March. I'm James Spann. Another cold night tonight with a freeze warning, and then we start to warm up slowly. Maybe a touch of rain as the weekend begins. Let's go in there and check things out. Same setup today, a big upper trough over the eastern seaboard. And it is cold for a March afternoon. Now understand, that's with sunshine over the northern half of the state. Only 36 at Fort Payne. Coleman, 37. Gadsden, 39. Haleyville, 38. These numbers are almost 30 degrees below average. It's 41 at Birmingham. We'll be well down in the 20s tomorrow morning, and the colder pockets could see upper teens because tonight the wind will be calm, and that allows for good radiational cooling. Around the nation, the east is very cold, but again, after tonight, we'll start to slowly dig out of this March deep freeze. But tonight, freeze warnings for much of the southeast United States, including almost all of Alabama, except for the immediate coast. There's the rain for the next 7 days. Not much. This is through Wednesday of next week. Nothing for South Alabama. A little bit for the north. Have a few showers on Saturday, but it doesn't look like a big deal for now. Model fans, here's the GFS, the 12Z run, valid tomorrow at 1 o'clock local time. Troughing on the eastern seaboard. Down below that, a 1032 high right on top of us. We start the day well down in the 20s, but the high should be in the middle 50s as the warming trend begins. That's still way below average, but we're moving in the right direction, and the sky will stay sunny. Friday, we'll call it partly sunny. Friday morning will be in the mid-30s. Some of the colder pockets could see a freeze Friday morning, and then the high should be well up in the 60s Friday afternoon. Saturday, here comes a surface front, limited moisture, not much dynamic support, so a few showers during the day, nothing beyond that, the high in the middle 60s. And then Sunday, a dry air mass drops in, and really the latest runs kind of backed off on any cooling. In fact, this suggests that Sunday will probably be just as mild as Saturday with a high at least in the middle 60s. The sky should be mostly sunny. Should be a beautiful day. Monday of next week, we're dry, mild, highs up in the 70s. And then a cold front slips in here Tuesday, and again, a chance of showers, but no big deal. Moisture limited, no upper support. And then Wednesday, a week from today, a northwest flow aloft, a dry air mass, and that should be a partly sunny day with a high, I'd say, in the low 60s if this verifies. Now, later in the week, this is the end of next week, Friday the 24th, a very deep surface low is over Iowa, and that could bring some strong storms in here and maybe some blizzard conditions for parts of Minnesota and the Dakotas. There's been some good consistency in the idea. Way too early to be specific. This is beyond 7 days. And then the end of the forecast period, Saturday the 25th, the trough passes on by. Cold front is on through. We'll check the numbers. You can see the warm-up back in the 60s over the weekend. Some 70s in here next week. And again, after tonight, no sign of any additional freezing mornings through March 29th, but I caution you, I would expect at least one more, probably sometime in early April. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this afternoon. We'll have notes in the blog. The next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you can't catch us this evening on the live stream or on television, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.